Drum roll. Well, guys, we are going to be looking at the month of November results. I'm happy. This is the last month of the year, so I'm happy to share with you guys what's going on, what happened in the month of November, and how we're going to be actually implementing more affiliate strategies within this month of December. Let's hop onto my computer to share with you some more. All right, folks, we are on my screen, and first and foremost, let me go ahead and share with you exactly what's going on, how I'm conducting my affiliate marketing experiment, if you want to call that. But if you're coming to my channel for the first time and you are interested in just knowing what exactly I'm doing and how to actually get started with affiliate marketing, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Welcome to the channel if you're coming here for the first time, and welcome back for all of you guys who are watching my affiliate marketing journey within this channel. Okay, I'm super happy, especially for those of you guys who are on my list, because these are the monthly videos that you guys can see realistically that I'm putting in the work and the effort also for myself, but for you guys to actually take action. So below this video, if you're watching this on my email list, there will be a button. You can get started immediately and on your affiliate marketing journey through that button below. Otherwise, if you're watching this on YouTube, all the resources are in the description of this video. So make sure to tune in to those in case you're interested. But let me go ahead and share with you my strategy. So I've been doing affiliate marketing for some time. I've had my successes, I've had my failures. Every single month I come here to share my journey, but I've been following this exact strategy that I have right now for the last year and a half, actually almost much more than a year and a half, year and 9 months at least. And the reason why I have been following the strategy for such a long time is because it focuses on two primary fundamental principles within affiliate marketing. One is email marketing or copywriting, and the second one is advertising. Advertising leads to the copywriting that helps with your conversions, and your copywriting also helps you with your advertising, because in case you need to advertise on, free channels, it can help you with your scripts, with your emails, with everything that's needed for those conversions into the outcome, the ideal outcome that you are looking for. Both those two skill sets, no matter what anybody tells you guys online, these are the two fundamental skill sets that you need. One is knowing how to pull people or advertise your offer to the right people, and then get those conversions, because at the end of the day, those conversions are connected to that copywriting and the words that you use, whether it's spoken words, written words, doesn't matter. It still makes the whole impact is on conversions right there with copyright. So those are the two things that it focuses on. I realized that in my journey of failures and successes. And so I decided to start off with the simple method, because I do have a full-time job. It saves me a lot of time. I wake up in the morning, I apply it for 30 minutes, and then I go about living my day. It's not something that I have to go and focus on. So I can take care of my health. I can take care of certain aspects of my life that are meaningful and still get the results that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So step one is what we call a funded proposal. It uses a tool called My Lead Gen Secret, and I basically send it to an offer. I use WirexApp and ClickBank as my main hubs that I send it to an offer. And then when I make a sale, I use that sale, as you can see in this diagram, to buy advertising. Yes, I use paid advertising to build my email list. Once I use it to build my email list, I then have on the back end of the email list all the other information that's available. So if somebody wants to learn specifically about email marketing, I have a resource for them related to email marketing, or vice versa, right? So there are, sorry, not vice versa, other tools and resources that are available, and that's how I can build my entire ecosystem. Now, I try to not confuse everybody, so focus on specific hubs. So step one includes My Lead Gen Secret, ClickBank, and WirexApp. These three things, right? That's an independent step on its own. In step number two, which is the advertising, on my email list, I talk about System.io, which is the tool that I use to connect all these things together and build my entire system. So System.io. The second thing I speak about is the other affiliate offers that can help with email marketing, with video marketing, with affiliate marketing, and just basically the resources that I personally own and use. That I take from WirexApp and System.io, because these are two places that I personally own those products. So I like to share only products that I personally own. Okay, so those are two places. And then lastly, I talk about MAP and OLSP, which are two hubs that you can again educate yourself on System.io. So we're going to be looking at all of these features, all of these programs, to see where all the places that I've earned commissions for the last month, just the month of November. And then we'll add them up together so that we have a total number, and you guys can see how it's been for me personally in the month of November. It's not been a great month, but it has been a consistent month. So if for me, the thing is this, guys, if this strategy starts to get into the negative, then it's, not worth it for me to continue. If it's always in the positive, I might have a good month, I might have a bad month, but at least I know that I'm applying the skill sets and I can improve on those skill sets to get into a better month the next month. Okay, so that's how it is. I think this makes sense for me. Now let me just jump into all the results that you need to see. So let's start off with System.io, guys. This is the tool that I use. By the way, as I mentioned, all the links will be in the description. You can see over there. Let's go to affiliate dashboard and we will, oh, in December I earned a commission, but let's look at November only. But you can see in December I earned a commission. Now, just to give you guys an understanding from System.io, okay, they have a marketplace. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. In this marketplace, there are info products, and specifically, I want to go to affiliate programs. I want to go to System.io and I want to see all what System.io has. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, this is another window. This is another offer that you can promote. But anyways, I'm trying to just see which would be the best option. Oh yeah, no, sorry. What am I doing? Why am I doing this? It's just complicating matters if I do this. Just give me a second, guys. Let me just scroll down here and I will click on this and then I will click on view vendor. And now these are all the offers that are available. Oh, it seems like they've just drilled down to only software. Okay. That's interesting. They don't have the other offers available. That's interesting. That's very interesting. I'm very surprised that they don't. So most probably they don't have these offers available anymore. Okay. Anyways, you can go to the marketplace and you can find offers within the marketplace itself. If I just go to marketplace here, you'll be able to see that it's there. But let's say email marketing. If I type just to give you guys an understanding, okay, and then click enter, you'll see that they'll bring up email marketing elements and courses that are available for email marketing. And I can find a lot actually. Let me just go 48 pages so that you guys can see. These are all email marketing. You can see which course you want to get. Otherwise, you can get this business in a box, for example, and just buy these 5 services, and then you can sell those services again. It's absolutely the same. I will do a little bit more research, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. Just these are my results for System that I own nothing in my affiliate offers. Okay, I did get in December, but I haven't got right now any commissions or sales. Let me go ahead and then now look at my Legion Secret. Okay, guys, so my Legion Secret, I have 2 accounts. I'm just going to show you guys that I do have commissions here. All right, so we'll just count the commissions that I have available for the month of November, and then we'll do everything. So remember, System that I haven't earned anything. In my Legion Secrets, I have earned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means $25. Okay, so let's just put $25 so that we have that there, and I'm going to put a plus. Okay, so that's my Legion Secret. I am also an affiliate. Remember, it is a tool that I use. I got that much. Let's go to ClickBank now and see how much I've earned within ClickBank. All right, guys, so here I am, and within ClickBank, as you guys can see, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales within the last month in ClickBank, which accounted to $127.75. So that is my ClickBank earnings. Again, this is from step 1, as I mentioned. Okay, we go to also the sales right here within Warrior Plus as the 3rd place. You can see for the last month of November, I earned 308. But just to let you know, guys, this year has been a little bit slower for me compared to last year. Last year I had a good year where I was earning almost like 1,000. You can see right here 500. Yeah, I earned 600, 400, 400. And that was the average per month. This year has been a little bit lower and slower, but it's not been bad. Definitely not been bad. So this last month was $308.93. Let me just go to transactions so you guys can see, and I want to give you guys a little bit of a breakdown, but we'll look at the last month and we'll just copy this amount also that's available. So the commissions that I earned are $308.93. So we'll add that here. All right, guys. So I'm adding that here to my Google so that you guys can see 308 as well. So that's the total so far that we have. And I'm going to go back to Warrior Plus so that I can go into a little bit more detail and share with you guys about Warrior Plus. So let's look at it this way. From Warrior Plus in the last month, I have 2 steps in my entire funnel, as I mentioned, right? Warrior Plus, I made 21 sales, out of which One sale right here came from an email that I sent from my email list. So that was another $17 from my email list this last month. And here is a YouTube sale that I got, so another $2 right here. And here is another from system from my whole entire funnel. So that's another three, four, five total sales this last month, which has come from my funnel and my sales process. And the rest have come from mileage and secret, which is the first, step one. So 21 minus 5 is basically what I got. Just basically 16 sales came from step one and 5 sales came from step two. Okay, so that you have an idea. It's not just step one that's making an income for me, it's also step two. Okay, so that's what I earned for the last month. And then we go to Map itself. Map, guys, is at the moment a high ticket offer. So I have earned, and you guys can see right here, I've earned about $1,129 in commissions. I have made 2 sales totally within the platform itself. But I can see that a lot of people are making sales frequently. Like Jack Digital Ventures is one of them. If you just go and type Map, you'll just see him all over the place. But if you guys really want to join this journey with Map, my link is also in the description in case you're interested. I didn't make any sales this last month of November for Map. That's just how it is. And let's go to OLSP to see how things were made here. And if I go to commissions, you guys can see. Sorry, guys, I'm just zooming in. Okay, so if I go to commissions right now, guys, you can see here I have earned in November 3 commissions, so 7, 7, and 7. 7 threes are 21. So $21 just from this one from OLSP itself. So that's adding another $21 right here. So we have a total of, let's look at this. We have a total of 482 and 68 cents. Now I just want to cancel all my expenditures. So basically the expenditure that I have is $60 from mileage and secret from step one. Then I have 2 plug and play traffic sources, which cost me $15 per month. And then I also have mileage and secret, system I, which cost me $27 per month. So the total earnings for the last month of November, which are lower for me, I will admit, okay, they are lower for me, is $380.68. But the journey is still going on. When these things happen, guys, when bad months happen or lower months happen, the question for me is how or what am I doing to get those bad months? So am I actually making mistakes with my product selection or with my emails that I'm marketing, or with my whole entire effort as a marketer and the skill sets that I have backing it? These are the questions that we have to ask ourselves, because it's not really the products or services, but what we are doing that matters, the action that we take that matters in order for us to get those conversions. So that's the question I'm asking for myself. In December, what my focus is on is already I'm getting a good momentum for the month of December. I'm going to be much more present, and I have some things in the background to make my course better. So I first and foremost get more conversions in my course, and that leads to all of these other things that you can see right here getting better. Okay, so being more consistent with my email list, getting better with my open rates in my email list, with the content that I'm sharing in my email list. I'm doing all those edits in the month of December so that next year I can just focus on sending traffic, right? So those are the edits that I want to do in the month of December, and my focus is on that for this month. Guys, thanks for watching. Again, all the resources in the description. I'm literally going to leave you 2 links. One link is from Affiliate Marketing Essentials. It's my course that I have. It's a €1 course just for you guys to understand. And the second thing is going to be to Map. If you do join Map, guys, you get everything that you see on screen absolutely for free. I will be able to share with you a lot more information. We get on calls and everything else. So make sure to check out Map as well. Watch the webinar, see if it's for you. And I'm going to see you guys on the next month video, but also on Monday for another video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.